Given problem is find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of curves x square plus 16y square is equal to c. Okay, you see friends, the given family of curve is x square plus 16y square is equal to c. This is in the form of f of x comma y comma c is equal to 0. So this family you can compare with f of x comma y comma c is equal to 0, where c is a parameter, right? What we have to find? We need to find out the orthogonal trajectory for which family of the curves? Cartesian coordinates. In the Cartesian coordinates, not like the, we can find out for the polar coordinates also, but in this problem we are doing Cartesian coordinates. How to find orthogonal trajectory is nothing but first consider the given curve as equation number 1. Now you find the differential equation of this equation 1. So what we have to do means differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and eliminate this parameter c. Then you will have f of x comma y comma dy by dx, or else simply you can say y dash also is equal to 0. This is equation 2. This equation is called differential equation of equation 1. But what we need to find? Orthogonal trajectory. So generally tan theta we are denoting with dy by dx. So in this case, you know that orthogonal is nothing but m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Yes or no? So in place of dy by dx, we have to replace with minus dx by dy, because dx by dy, if you consider m1 is dy by dx, another one is also m2 is what? Dy by dx only. So m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. So this is m2, then minus 1 by m1 means this one only. So we are replacing dy by dx by minus dx by dy. This is equal to 0. This is called equation 3. This equation 3 is called orthogonal differential equation of 2. But we want orthogonal trajectory. So you simplify this one. This is, you have dx by dy term. So first order, first degree differential equation. You can apply any number of the methods. So if you are simplified this, then you will get the family of the curves which is containing f of x comma y comma some other constant, or else you will get some constant also. Okay, this is called a parameter. Okay, then this is called orthogonal trajectory of the given family 1. Okay, now you see, consider this as equation number 1. What we have to do? Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then you will have 2x plus 16y square. Y square derivative is 2y. So 32y into inner derivative dy by dx is equal to c derivative is what? 0. So now you see, from these two you can take 2 is a common, then remaining term is x plus 16y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Is there any parameter here? No. So this is called differential equation of the given family. Yes or no? Now what is the tangent here? You have dy by dx. What do you require to find? Orthogonal trajectory. So replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. That's it. So x plus 16y times of minus dx by dy is equal to 0. So you see, it is a first order, first degree linear differential equation. So what you, first order, first degree differential equation. Yes or no? Now using the variable separable method, then you can simplify. You see, dx and dy should be in the numerator. Yes or no? So take dy is the left side, then you will have x into dy minus 16y into dx is equal to 0. But y dy quotient should be y term, dx quotient should be x terms. So what you can do now? This y you can take left side, then you will have 1 by y dy. This x is right side, then you will have 16 by x into dx is equal to 0. Now variables are separables. Variables are separables. So integrating on both sides. Then integral of 1 by y dy minus 16 times of integral of 1 by x dx is equal to integral of 0. So if you are simplified this, then you will have 1 by y integration log y minus 16 into 1 by x integration log x is equal to, you can also write this integral 0 is nothing but, you can see generally we will let constant, but you write on log c. Now you see friends, log a minus log b. So what you can write this as log of a minus b. But here you have 16 log x. You see, you know that n log a if you have, then we are writing log a to the power of n. So this one you can write x to the power of 16 is equal to c. Is equal to which c here? Log c. Taking anti-log on both sides. Then we will have y by x to the power of 16 is equal to c, or else y is equal to c into x to the power of 16. So this is called orthogonal trajectory of the given equation x square plus y square, x square plus 16y square is equal to c. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Thank you for watching this video.